Welcome back. In this video, we shall learn how to use classes in building applications in TypeScript. So let's go straight to creating a class of a customer, and we shall actually use this to determine the means of identification every customer should provide. So to create a class in TypeScript, we'll say class using the keyword class, customer. Always ensure that the name of your class starts with an uppercase letter. So let's say customer. Let's do that. Let's say customer ID. Let's set that a string type. And let's create a constructor that's going to take CID, also known as customer ID, in the constructor. It's a type of string. And let's say this that's customer ID is set to CID. Now outside this constructor method here, let's create another method that will display a message for us. And that's going to be called display ID. And let's console.log the message using backticks, which say the customer should use, let's use the $sign and this dot customer ID as a means of identification. Now let's come out of the class and let's create a version of this class by saying let's C1. C1 is a new variable that we have created. Let C1 gives us a new customer instance, and let's pass in BVN here. BVN stands for bank verification number. So we want the bank verification number to be the means of identification for every customer. So let's say console.log C1, which we just created, dot customer ID. And now let's call the method that actually displays the message. So let's say C1 dot display. So with these we have created a class of customer, and so with these we have created our class. So let's pull up the terminal here. Let's compile our TypeScript file. Let's use the node command to run our JavaScript file. So as you can see, we have the customer should use BVN as a means of identification. So this is how to create and use classes in TypeScript. Not really different from the regular ES6 class. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.